In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring payments in Stripe in just 5 minutes. Firstly, head over to stripe.com by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the address. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a sign-in button at the top right. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but for now, let's proceed with logging in. Once you've clicked sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Carefully type in your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, there are options to recover it right there on the page. After entering your details, click on the sign in button again to proceed. Next, Stripe may require additional verification for security purposes. They might send you a code via your registered email or phone number. Enter this code in the designated field to access your dashboard. This step ensures that your account remains secure and that only you have access to it. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard. From here, look for the billing option, which is usually located on the left-hand menu. Click on it and you'll see a variety of options related to managing your customers' payments. Once you're in the billing section, select subscriptions. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe our channel for next video.